Welcome to our tutorial on setting up a Slack Dramatify integration for real-time production notifications from Dramatify on your desktop, tablet, or phone. In this tutorial, we will go through 3 short chapters. Feel free to skip ahead in the timeline. Which notifications can you get from Dramatify in Slack? Connect Dramatify to Slack. Set up a Slack channel for my project and production. You get 2 types of notifications from Dramatify: automatic update notifications for script-related changes such as new, changed, or deleted scripts, scenes, characters, sets, and locations. They can have optional manual comments, which helps the rest of the team to understand the information. You and your team members can also add manual updates with comments for high volume, critical features like scheduling. Click Updates in the top navigation in Dramatify to see the type of updates you will get on Slack. A key difference between update notifications in Dramatify and Slack is that notifications in Dramatify are filtered based on user access rights. If a user does not have access to a specific feature section, they will not receive updates from it. In contrast, in Slack, all notifications are published in your channel. However, you can control in which channel notifications are published and who has access to it by creating private channels and invite key team members to each channel. Additionally, links back to Dramatify include access rights, ensuring that users can only see details they are permitted to view. To connect your Dramatify and Slack accounts, you must have a Slack workspace for your organization. If you don't have one, follow the link in the help text for setup instructions. First, create a main channel for your organization to connect Dramatify with Slack. Channels are chat groups for each company, production, or topic. How you create a channel in Slack may vary depending on your device and Slack versions. It's important to create at least one public channel for the integration to function properly. This first channel must be set to public and will display all notifications from your account unless directed to production channels. Public means that all team members invited to your company's Slack account will be able to read the notifications as well as any posted messages. To control access to specific productions, you can create separate channels for different projects and productions. We recommend using this first channel as a general company channel. Slack will prompt you to invite team members now or later. In this tutorial, we leave it for later. Now open Dramatify, go to your company page and select Settings. In the Integration section under Slack, click the button labeled Install Dramatify's Slack app. Now, we select the channel you created in Step 1 and click Allow. You will get a success message and can then send a test message that will be posted in your organization's general channel. If the test message doesn't appear in Slack, double-check that the channel is public. If it has a lock icon before the name instead of a hash icon, the channel is private. Change it to public in the channel settings. Once you have set up your main Slack channel and connected Dramatify, it's easy to add channels to your projects and productions. First, go to Slack and set up a channel for your project. This time, it can either be public, meaning it is visible and accessible for everyone invited to the general company channel, or it can be private, only for invited key team members for that specific project. Please note that if your channel is private, you must invite the Dramatify bot to the channel in a separate step described later in this video. Next, click the channel menu and select Open Channel Details. Select the About tab. In the bottom of the pop-up, copy the channel ID. Now go to your project in Dramatify and on the project page, click Settings. Scroll down to Integrations and click Add Slack Channel. Add your channel name and paste the channel ID you copied. Important! If you set your channel to private, first, switch to Slack and post a Slack message in your new channel with @Dramatify. This will invite the Dramatify bot to post in the channel. Then, you must invite team members specifically if it is a private channel. If the channel is public, you can skip both of these steps. Just tell your team members to join the new Slack channel. You can now go back to your project setting page and post a test message to see that it shows up in your new project channel. For your team to get access to both public and private Slack notifications, you must invite them to Slack. Follow the link in the help text for instructions. Your team members also find instructions there on how to use Slack. To recap, create a public channel to connect Slack to Dramatify, and then add channels for your projects with clear names and decide privacy. Team members join or are invited to channels for their productions. Dramatify and Slack keeps your whole team informed, right on desktop, tablet, or phone, without needing to log in repeatedly. Ready to stay connected? Set up your team today and let Slack deliver your production updates automatically. Thank you for watching. Follow for more.